So I'm going to preface this with this is a dining table for us, for me. So it really should be called the table of tries. First, I wanted to see if I could put multiple, I guess, shorter boards together to make that center board, and reinforce it with hardwood into softwood. I got a lot of sort of not clean lines. So that could be chisel issues, not sharp enough. It could just be you know, that the softwood just pops away. You know, so second thing is this bevel. Out of all the table I've made, I've never done a 45 all the way across on something this thick. I mean, I used a router before, but I don't have a router bit. I think this ended up being 2 inches. So that actually came out good. I was very happy with that. Some additional inlays. I was very happy with this one. It's a little bit there. But overall, a lot of things I tried on our own table. The elephant in the room is this part right here. So I guess this board moved. It's end grain glue, so it wasn't gonna be super strong. This board moved when I was gluing it up, and there was like a 1/2 inch, and I couldn't hammer it up. So I inlaid a piece of one of the other cutoffs. That's why you see this differentiation in grain. And I was like, oh yeah, I'll just level it out with a hand plane and then a sander. This is all glue, so that's going to be an issue. I don't really like how you can see I used some screws and then filled them in with these dowels. I don't really like how you can see that. Like I said, I'm dyeing this table with wood dye, water-based wood dye. I do not expect any of this to take the dye. So that's just going to be an issue that I have. Like I said, it is our table. So I'm leaving everything just because it's going to remind me not to do stupid shit like this again. So, you know, learn, right? All right. Well, we're back here again. As I was putting finish on, the table was looking better, but this part was looking so much worse. So I basically did another inlay just with the shape, cut out all of that nonsense that was going on, and I'm gonna reapply the dye, refinish, hopefully for the last time.